Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add the Power Automate desktop extension in Google Chrome. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to open your Power Automate desktop application on your computer. Once the application launches, direct your attention to the left side of your screen where you'll see several navigation options. Go ahead and click on Flows. This section displays all your automation workflows and gives you access to the tools you'll need for this process. Next, you'll need to locate any flow from your list. It doesn't matter which one you choose since we're just using it to access the browser extension settings. Once you've found a flow, click on the pencil icon next to it. This will open the flow editor where you can modify and configure your automation. Now you'll need to wait a moment while the flow editor loads completely. Depending on your system's performance and the complexity of the flow, this might take a few seconds. Just be patient and let everything load properly before proceeding to the next step. Once the editor has fully loaded and you can see all the flow details on your screen, look at the top menu bar. You'll notice several options available there. Click on Tools to reveal a drop-down menu with various configuration options. This menu contains essential settings and utilities for Power Automate Desktop. From the drop-down menu that appears, click on Browser Extension. This will open another submenu showing different browser options where you can install the Power Automate extension. Since we're focusing on Google Chrome today, go ahead and click on Google Chrome from this list. This action will redirect you to the Chrome Web Store where the Power Automate extension is hosted. Once the store page loads, you'll see a blue button labeled Add to Chrome. Click on this button to initiate the installation process. Chrome will then display a confirmation pop-up asking for your permission to add the extension. In the pop-up window, click Add Extension to confirm and complete the installation. Chrome will now download and install the Power Automate extension automatically. This usually takes just a few seconds and you'll see a confirmation message once it's successfully added to your browser. And that's it! You've successfully added the Power Automate desktop extension to Google Chrome, allowing you to integrate your browser actions with your automation workflows. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.